Rich crew, welcome back to Rituals. So today is Black Eagle's birthday.
Y'all should be wet on my blood.
I'm old school.
Yeah, Black Eagle just turned 2 today. Well, actually last week, but I haven't been able to get out the house and whatnot. So today is his birthday. We're filming a video today. So with that being said, it's Black Eagle's 2-year anniversary, his birthday. So I'm gonna tell you guys about my 2-year ownership experience with the F87 BMW M2. So that's what today's video is about. But before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Turn that notification bell so you will be in the loop when I post new videos. As soon as I hit upload, you guys will get a notification. You'll be able to watch the videos. So today is about car content. Last few videos have been about finance and stuff like that. Today video is for my car enthusiasts. So with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of POV action. We're gonna get Eagle cleaned up for his birthday, washed up, real nice looking. And then I'm gonna tell you guys the things I love about my M2 and the things that I don't care so much about, which I'll let you guys know. It ain't that many things I don't like about this car. I absolutely love it. So with that being said, let's get to the video right now. So now we getting Black Eagle washed for his birthday. He's getting all nice and clean. He's about to be coronavirus free. He's getting his tail feathers washed. So as you can see, for 2 years we had 36,853 miles in 2 years. So this is the daily driver. Definitely daily drive. Look at all the colors. What's on the feet? Jordan 4s today for my sneakerheads. This right here is the 2018 BMW M2 LCI edition. This right here is Eagle's 2-year birthday. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I like about the car and what I don't like about the car. So, as you can see, it's not too much as far as appearance that you wouldn't like about the car. We got the carbon fiber exhaust pipes, the M Performance. Like I said, this is the M2. You got the 19-inch BMW M rims on here. Got the Michelin powered sports tires. Got your M brakes, of course. I got the M Performance stickers on the car. If you haven't already, follow Rituals on IG. There's the front. We got the black kidney grills. Love those. Gives that mean, aggressive look. And like I said, this is the LCI edition. We got the LCI lights right here, of course. And give you guys full perspective of the car. Do a full walk around of the vehicle. And I just kind of want to give you guys a look at the car. Like I said, I had the car for 24 months now, which is basically 2 years. Love this car. Sounds amazing. Drives excellent. No complaints whatsoever. What do I hate about the car? Nothing. Nothing at all. Only thing I wish I had, though, I wish I had a sunroof. But other than that, everything about the car is absolutely amazing. No complaints whatsoever. Love the color. Got this thing in black metallic. It's a beautiful color. Beautiful color car. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, just want to kind of give you guys my ownership experience of the car while looking at it. Gave you guys some revs. Gave you guys a cold start. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. One love. You guys have an awesome day. And we out.